With the new Google Pixel 2 release, its features and user interface become quite popular. And here, I am going to tell you how you can get both features and user interface on your basic Android mobile. So let's get started. First, let's see some of the features of Google Pixel 2. Its first feature is its cool user interface, which is really beautiful and easy to use. Second, its notification dot. On app icon, a little notification dot shows there is a notification in notification bar for that application. Third, on holding an app icon, it shows its notifications and quick actions. Fourth feature is its quick search. You can get all things in new search option. Fifth option is Google Page. Swiping left to right, which provide all quick info and Google options. To make your Android mobile like Pixel, you have to download 4 apps. First, Nova Launcher. Second, Pixel Icon Pack. Third, Sesame Shortcut. Fourth, Nova Google Companion. All links are in the description down below. So let's see how to do this process. First, download Pixel Icon 2 Pack. It is a beautiful round icon pack. With this pack, you get 6700 plus icons. It makes all your icons like Google Pixel icons. After installing Pixel Icon Pack, now go to download Nova Launcher. It is the most customizable launcher in Android world with beautiful design and performance. I am using this launcher from 3 years now, and it's giving me an extreme beautiful design and performance in every aspect. Now it's time for downloading Sesame Shortcut. This app allows Nova to get the features of Google Pixel like long press on notification dot and other shortcut search. Now download Google Companion from the description down below. This software will allow you to open Google page on swipe from left to right on home screen. Now tap on Home button and choose Nova Launcher. In first run menu, choose theme as light, then immersive, and then swipe up. All done now. Now open Nova setting and in dock section, choose search bar in dock below icons. Now take back and go into integration. Here enable as swipe and give permission to Sesame Shortcut. Then enable shortcut in app search and shortcut menu. Now open Sesame Shortcut. Grant all 4 permissions it asks. And now go to home screen and add apps to your home screen which you use regularly. Once again, go into Nova setting and choose look and feel. Here, choose icon theme as Pixel Icon Pack. And now you are all done. Enjoy your Pixel features and home screen now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.